Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating this fun Halloween clown makeup look perfect for those who want something a little spooky but still glamorous. Let's get started. First I primed my skin with a serum all over my face to create a smooth base, followed by moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated and ready for makeup. Skin prep is so much important, so always do skin care before applying any makeup. Then I applied eye concealer to brighten up my under eye area, and then I blended it out and set it with a compact powder for a flawless finish. Moving on to the brows, I lined them to give my face a strong frame. Eyebrows frame your eyes and bring balance to your overall look. They also help define your facial structure by giving a sense of symmetry, which can make your other features like your eyes and cheeks stand out more. Now for the eyes, I went in with a light brown eyeshadow over all the lid, keeping it soft. I applied that light brown shadow on both of my eyes and blended it out to no harsh lines. Next, to lift up my face, I applied a sharp black eyeliner to give my eyes that intense look. You can make a long wing, short wing, or big eyeliner or small eyeliner. It's totally up to you how you like it or how the eyeliner suits your eyes. Followed and then I applied some dramatic lashes to really make them pop. Now for contouring, I added some depth to my cheeks, nose, and forehead, giving my face a sculpted look. After that, I added a touch of blush on my cheeks for a soft, rosy glow. Then I took my color palette. Now it's time for the main part, the clown details. I started with a triangle above my right eyebrow. I created it by making little dots in a triangle shape. Making those little dots in triangle shape will help you so much and you will be able to do the triangle shape easily. And then I blended them out to create that soft faded effect. Make triangle tips sharp. I added two small dots beneath my eye and right above the triangle tip to complete the clown inspired design. For the lips, I started by outlining them with a brown lip liner and I blend that lip liner a bit to leave no harsh lines on the lips and making them look smoother. Then with a dark red lipstick, I filled up my lips. I smudged the corner slightly to give that classic messy clown look. You can make the corner line as big as you want. Finally, I added a big red dot on my nose to complete the character. And that's it. If you enjoyed this ghostly glam, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe or the Halloween spirits might come after you. Just kidding. But seriously, hit the subscribe button for more. Thank you for watching till now. And please do subscribe my channel if you like my videos. And have a nice Halloween. I hope you guys the best. Bye bye.